ijaz van Kashmir.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Kamsantullah.
I have a question. This question is from a lady. I am asking this question on the behalf of a lady. She says, Sheikh, I suffer from urinary incontinence along with severe OCD. Whenever I urinate, I end up being forced to take a full shower because of my fear of splashes. For me, being told to just wash and leave is like asking a paralyzed person to stand up. It is simply not in my control at the moment. On Islam QA, I read the fatwa of Sheikh Ibn al-Uthaymin or Ibn Baz that a person with incontinence should wash off whatever has gotten onto his body and clothes if it is not too difficult for him. But if it is too difficult, then he is excused and may pray as he is.
No, this is not valid or correct. This is in the case of a person who's bedridden, where it is almost hardship or if not possible at all to wash and clean every time. But for a person who's normal with urine incontinence, no, this is possible to do it at the beginning of the time, washing one's self, private parts or whatever was soiled, changing your clothes, making wudu, and praying regardless of what comes afterwards. And I advise this sister to come and take a counseling session with me where things can be cleared, inshallah.